Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. Got an unboxing for you. Um, I think I know which box this is. I've been getting so many lately. I think this one here is one that I bought for me for has some Christmas present to myself in it, and I can't remember what the other thing is. So let me go ahead and get my everyday carrier out and open this thing here up. Oh, it also has something for the grandkids. All right, so first, the grandkids. Well, the youngest grandkids are really into a cowboy thing right now, and so I bought them some cowboy boots, and so they need boot jacks to get those boots on and off. Well, now that it's winter time, they're wearing their snow boots, and they're really having a tough time, trying to kick them off like they do the tennis shoes. Doesn't work. So I picked up a boot jack here, relatively inexpensive one off of Amazon, and it's got a nice rubber pad on the inside here. Yeah. And so they just step on one foot and hook their heel in and pull off their snow boots or cowboy boots when it's warming up. So I got this for the grandkids. They don't know about it yet. It's going to be sort of just appear there where they're at. The other thing I got is for me, and it's similar to what I'm wearing now. A little history on it is years ago, my wife introduced me to a style shirt called Henley, where it's a long sleeve T-shirt where it buttons up, and she had several of them, and she had one that was a little large for her, and sometimes she'd use that as a night shirt. So one day I wanted to see what was so neat about it, and so I borrowed her shirt, and she goes, "Well, if you want your own, I'll get them for you." She was kind of teasing me, pretend miffed off at me that I stole her shirt. So, anyways, I found some on sale. This it got different colors and stuff. So I got kind of a dark brownish one here, and so I got my own here right now because I guarantee you, at night sometimes these things are great to go to sleep into. Now I know why she was wearing them to bed all the time. So that's what I got here for me and for the grandkids. And I got more stuff coming up here that I'm going to be doing unboxings of. So keep an eye out for new videos on unboxings and stuff for preppers. So remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill, and we have the indoor garden challenge for 2025. Weigh-ins start on January 1st, so you can be growing stuff now and start harvesting on January 1st. Of course, it's getting a little late here now, but yeah, it goes for all year, and we're going to see who can grow the most food indoors. Food from outdoors doesn't count. Indoor garden challenge. All right? See you around.